Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by proving you own the site in Google Search Console. Do that now so you can request removals. Once verified, make a quick backup of site files and robots. TXT. This protects you if you must restore content. Next, list exact URLs, directory patterns, and subdomains to remove. Be precise, because Google treats paths and query strings differently. While you compile the list, also note any sensitive files or legal takedown needs you may pursue later. You now take concrete steps. Submit urgent pages to the Search Console removals tool to hide results fast, and then fix server responses. Serve 410 or 404 for permanently removed pages so crawlers drop them. Once done, add meta-noindex to pages you still host but don't want in search or use robots. TXT and HTTP auth for broader blocks. Note that robots. TXT prevents crawling but not indexing if links exist. Make sure to update sitemaps and resubmit them. Finish by monitoring the coverage and removals reports in Search Console. You should see declines in indexed URLs over days to weeks. If content is sensitive, like personal data, use Google's legal removal request with precise evidence. Otherwise, track recrawl via URL inspection and resubmit sitemaps so Google reindexes your revised site. If pages persist, clear caches, check for alternative copies or backlinks, and confirm server responses. If problems continue, recheck ownership and server log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.